touches from Oquendo are right straight. Wala na eh. Wala nang enerhiya.
Yeah.
Itong si ano eh.
Si
Oo,
Eden.
hindi naman sila nagsaserve ng Cobra dun sa corner, ano? Sayang.
Yung sayang because he was winning the fight. Yung
He was
sayang,
winning the fight.
Yung mga low blows, I think they took their toll. And alam mo na, he should have waited for the 5 minutes. Alam mo na, meron 5 minutes.
Minmaximize niya.
May maximize ng 5 minutes.
Dapat inavail
Huwag na,
niya.
Pero gigil na siya. Balik sa laban.
Hindi na rin siya makapag-dart in and out kasi wala na siyang enerhiya to dart out sapagkat yun yung body punches. Yan po ang sinasabi natin kanina. Batter the body and the head will fall. It was an investment para kay Oquendo. From the 5th round onwards, he started body punching.
Sonson na medyo disappointed na siya. Pero okay naman. Maganda yung laban niya.
We did say itong kanyang unang test, ano?
Yes. Yun ang big
Ladies
test.
and gentlemen, we have the time of 1 minute 5 seconds in round number 9. Con el tiempo 1 minuto 5 segundos en el round número 9. El ganador por knockout. He is the winner by way of knockout. Now the NABO Super Bantamweight Champion, Jonathan Polvo Oquendo.
Tignan mo yung mata niya. Yung right eye. Badly beaten. Sayang.
Ayan po ang winner and new NABO Super Bantamweight Champion, Jonathan Oquendo. He's now 19-2 with 12 knockouts. Ito po ang finishing kill. Left, and then look at the right hand. Boom! Dito
Perfect,
wala na
perfect
opensa.
right, perfect
Before
right.
that, wala na opensa si Eden Sonsona.
Perfect right.
Sayang na sayang. Ha?
And alam mo na ito, si Eden Sonsona went weight, natural bantamweight, for the super bantamweight. Big
Masyado
concern.
siguro malaki ang super bantam para sa kanya. No?
Sabi ni Moy Lainez, I am concerned about him going up to super bantamweight because he's a natural bantamweight, and that's what happened.
At yan po ang replay brought to you by Manila Beer. Talagang counted out eh.
Counted
Talagang
out. Wala.
binilaman.
Wala.